Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Here in front of me, I have the recent release from ScaleBox MCE out of Hong Kong. The very recent 4 new variants for the RWB release, especially for the Tokyo Auto Salon 2020, which actually happened in January this year in Tokyo. So, during that period of time, my understanding is that during that period of time, they actually open up orders, and finally, they have released. They put it into production for a couple of months, and then with all the delays, and now they're finally out. I've actually got these in my hands a couple of weeks ago, but only now I'm able to share with you guys. So up until this point, they have already made 4 variants of the RWBs, right? The first was the monster version, and then the rough passion, then the rough rhythm, and the naginata came along end of last year. Yeah. So the rough passion and the monster, I don't think I've seen it the real thing before. Yeah, so I'm not sure where where did it appear in the real life, but definitely this one is actually very nice to have. I've already done a video on that. The rough passion exists in real life, the rest of them do exist in real life. The rough passion actually is the first time it's in 164, same as the naginata. So here with the new ones, we have seen the Martini a couple of times already in 164, even the Rotana. However, there are quite a few different versions of the Rotana. We'll get to that. And then the Ramintra, that would be the first time. It's 164, and also the Rough Unity. Up until here, I would say the four of these. Okay, I'm just gonna move that aside. We're gonna focus on this 4 right now because I've actually done a video on those 4 already. I will leave I'll definitely put the link in the description box below. So in the meantime, do remember to hit the subscribe button, alright? I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so I really would appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe button. So let's go straight to it. Of course, the first one, creating the hype panel is the Ramintra, because this would be the first time someone has actually made the RWB model without the bumper at the back. So yeah, Ramintra, when I did a little bit of research, this is basically the second version of the Ramintra. The first one did have the back bumper, however the second version does not have it. Okay, so this is actually, yeah, that's the ScaleBox logo. It's packed in white. Tokyo Auto Salon 2020 limited edition. So underneath we have the RWB genuine sticker, official collaboration product. Okay, and distributed by MCE Mall. Okay, made in China. Right. So we'll go dive right into it. Okay, here we go. There. So on the base, these are numbered. Okay, each of them there were 250 made. So this one in my hands here is actually number 32. Okay, check out that green. From the photos that I see online, right, this actually resides in Japan. Basically, it's owned by Nakai-san. The Rotana as well. The Martini, I believe it's a reincarnation of the rough rhythm. If I'm not mistaken, it's owned by Toshi-san. And then the Rough Unity is also resides in Japan, but it's not really clear it belongs to who. I do know that it did appear in 1 year of Idler's 12 hours. Okay, yeah. So anyway, yeah, where was I? We just take a quick look at this one. The interior, it's pretty much all in black, so nothing really in particular there. However, this is where the party piece is. Oh, check out that back end. Look at that. I did see pictures of the Ramintra, you know, in this version 2, and it really does depict how the exhaust looks like. So this is actually really very close to the real thing. So these are just to, you know, refresh you guys, these are actually all resin models. Okay, they are not die cast, so it's really very light to the hand. Okay, so as usual, you know what, let's just take it out of the base so we can take a much closer look at it. So these are all locked onto the base with 2 screws rather than, you know, the usual one. Okay, so got it out. There are spaces on it. Alright, so just leave it aside here for a while we check out the details on this thing. Oh, look at that. Check that out. Okay, of course this is the one. So there's slight details underneath, but yeah, I think that exhaust, the system behind that, that's the one that we're really interested in. We can see a bit of the chassis. That's very nice. Oh my god. Ooh, looks so good. Nice, very nice. Okay, yeah. Let's just go dive right into the next one that I really want to look at is the Rough Unity, because no one has done this yet. It's in a very striking orange. Okay, so underneath everything's pretty much straightforward. I think the code is slightly different. The Ramintra code is D, and then the Rough Unity is I. Okay, let's go straight to it once again. Let's get it out. Breathe. Gotta breathe. Oh, okay, so it's again running number limited of 250 pieces. This is number 12. Check out that orange. Oh, okay, there's a Fat Lace logo back here. I can't tell what's the other logo right there. Okay, let it just zoom. There you go. There you go. Check that out. So that's that RWB logo at the back. Let's get it out as well. You gotta just, yeah, you definitely gotta open it up and check it out. Alright, here we go. Take a closer look. So in the interior wise, it looks basically exactly the same. So the other party piece on this one is they haven't done this on the any of the previous models. Okay, I'll let it zoom and then I'll point it out. Can you see it? I don't think any other models has done this yet. The fog lamps in front. Check that out. Damn. Ooh. Ooh. Nice, very very nice. I love the orange. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Gotta keep moving. Okay, then I want to check out the Rotana. So I did a couple of search earlier because I realized there is quite a few versions of the Rotana up till now. So this is again another personal car for, of Nakai-san. Okay, this one has that Idlers branding much clearer. Yeah, it's similar. Even the rough rhythm has it. The rest of the car has it. Yeah, that is actually very nice. Can you see it? Okay, let it zoom. Show you guys. There you go. Can you see how crisp it is? All right, so mine is number 163. Okay, this one has a significant difference as well. To me, I feel that it's significant. Okay, you know what? Let's take it out and take an even closer look at it. Bear with me. So while opening this up, remember to hit the bell as well. Once you subscribe, hit the bell so that you know every time when I upload a video, you actually do get a notification. So that you don't miss on all these really awesome looking models. Okay, one of the things is that up front, these headlamps, so these are pretty much close to the real thing. It's not exactly the same, but it's close to it. Basically, there are no headlamps in here. Okay, not the big holder, but if you do see that small little circle there, that is supposed to be where the projector, I would call it projector headlamps, are supposed to sit. Just smaller ones, and underneath there is more. That is where the fog lamp sits, and I did see a couple of shots of the real thing at night. So the fog lamps are actually really very bright, while the projector lamps up there, I guess, yeah, it helps. But this, because when it's being done like that, I guess that it really helps in being more aerodynamic. I guess. I guess that's my guess. Okay, and then there has been a couple of different wheels or rims on the Rotana, and yeah, this it does look like a BBS. Did appear on the Rotana, so it is quite accurate. I did see the Sauber F1 team sticker on when I did my research, but I didn't see the New York Times logo up there, so I can't really tell. When was this? When did this made on based on which Rotana, on which period of time? Because that's the thing. I didn't see any with the New York Times branding on it. I definitely did see Sauber F1 team, yes, but not the newspaper. Okay, this one has a slight different interior. At the back, it's in silver. However, the front seats and the dashboard is still in black. Alright. Okay, so yes. So these resin models are really very delicate. I'm always very nervous when I take them out, actually, because it does feel very fragile. But so far I haven't got much issues on it. Okay, so this is the last one, the Martini. This is number 44 of 250. Okay, let's get this out as well. Oh yeah, today I'm actually joined by two guests. Do you notice them? They're here already. Yeah, there. I am joined by Kristen Kojin and also Nakai-san. They're figures. Okay, so this one, yeah, I'm not quite a huge fan of the wheels, but I do see where they're trying to get at. So yeah, it does look okay, but yeah, I think I do hope that they would have done a better job on the wheels. Otherwise, this is actually really perfect. There you go. Okay, number 11. So quite a few guys quite a few manufacturers has already done the Martini. So this version, oh man, I've always liked RWB's back end. Look at that, even in this scale. Damn. You can see how crisp all the print is. Martini International Club. Ooh. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so that's about it for now in my showcase today. So yeah, pretty much it has been quite a journey with RWB models. I am quite happy that ScaleBox and MCE decided to make these few models, especially the Ramintra and also the Rough Unity, because no one has actually done them yet. Yeah, so that's it for now. As usual, I will be taking close-up photos of them and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. And remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, so that you don't miss on any of my other videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.